Queen of all media na si Kris Aquino nagdadalamhati at pinagsisisihan daw ang mga taon na pinalipas nito na hindi sila nagkakausap ni Deo dahil sa pagkakaroon ng gap. Pero bago pong ating balita, huwag pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga balita. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinahagi ng Queen of all media na si Kris Aquino na pinagsisisihan daw nito ang mga taon na pinalipas niya na hindi sila nakapag-usap ng pumanaw na ABS-CBN executive na si Deo Entrenal. Matatandaang si Deo Entrenal ay ang dating manager ni Kris Aquino. Ipinahayag nito na nagkaroon sila ng gap ni Deo mula nang umalis ito sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN noong 2016. Ibinahagi ni Kris na 16 na taon silang nagkatrabaho at araw-araw raw silang may komunikasyon noon. Pahayag nito, I won't deny that after working so closely together for almost 20 years, Lola Deo and I drifted apart when I was no longer with ABS-CBN. Pag-amin pa ng Queen of all media, I am now so sorry for my failure to be the one to reach out because it hurt me when I fell to her from him personally during my time of grief, in the time my health started deteriorating. Dagdag pa nito, my wrong choice prevented us from being each other's support system when we should been there for each other. Binigyang diin pa ito ni Kris sa kanyang post. I'm sharing this for others to see that pride in the end only leaves us with regret. Samantala, binigyang pugay naman ni Kris si Entrenal bilang creative genius, pati na rin sanay ambag nito sa kanyang karera bilang actress at TV host. Saad nito, and I'm proud to declare, I'd never have become Kris without the magical guidance of the creative genius that was Deo Entrenal. Sinabi din ni Kris na si Deo raw ang nagturo sa kanya ng disiplina sa trabaho at nagtiwala sa kakayahan nito bilang TV host sa iba-ibang programa sa ABS-CBN. Dagdag pa ni Kris, he showed me the value of professionalism, respect, and generosity in sharing the credit with everyone involved in the production of my shows and movies. Saksi rin daw si Deo sa mga pinagdaanang pagsubok ni Kris noon. He instilled in me how to separate my personal problems from my duty to entertain. He fought me when I asked to take an indefinite leave from SNN in the past during my mom's last few weeks alive because he understood why I refused to leave her hospital room. He was a generous and thoughtful ninong to be. He wrote the most beautiful messages in his cards. All of them I scanned so that I'd forever have copies of his heartfelt greetings. Matatandaang si Deo Entrenal ay pumanaw nito lamang Sabado, February 3. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa iba pang showbiz updates. Kita-kita po tayo sa aking next video. Thank you.